Hello viewers, let's talk about wages sheet. What do we mean by wages and wages sheet? Wages means amount of money paid to the workers for the work they do. Wages sheet means a list of workers with their wages amount. Usually, wages are paid according to the contract in between employer and employee. Normally, an worker needs to work 8 hours a day. If they work beyond 8 hours in a day, that will be considered extra hours or overtime hours, for which they will be paid extra amount of money. Let's go to the Excel sheet to see a live example on how to calculate daily wages sheet. As you can see on the screen, serial number, name of employee, department and working hours were given. We need to compute overtime first and then daily wages. As per company rule, an employee needs to work 8 hours in a day, for which he or she will be paid taka 600 per day. Those who work beyond 8 hours will be paid taka 200 per extra hour. So to compute overtime or extra hour, at first we put equal sign, then click on working hours, then put a minus sign, then type 8, then press enter. So this is the overtime or extra hour of Mohammad Rezwanul Haq. Now we take it up to 15 serial. So this is the full overtime or extra hour of all the employees. Now to calculate daily wages, at first we have to put equal sign, then type 600, then put a plus sign, then select overtime one or extra hour, then multiply it with 200, then press the enter. So this is the daily wages of Mohammad Rezwanul Haq and take it up to 15 serial. So this is the full daily wages of all the employees. So in this way you can compute overtime or extra hour and daily wages. Thanks for watching my video.